Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Majestic Tarot and Astrology. So today I'm going to do a reading for all these singles and committed people. These are going to be two piles to check the energies of your love life ahead from beginning from today till the end of April. Let's get into it. So pile number one, let's pull out your cards. Okay, so pile number one. Your first card is Two of Swords. For the single, this reading is for the single people. Again, I'm telling Two of Swords. It feels like you have two options in your love life and you are confused which person to choose. दिस इज फॉर ऑल द सिंगल पीपल. आपकी लाइफ में दो लोग हैं, आप कंफ्यूज हैं, आपको किसको चूज करना चाहिए, किसको नहीं चूज करना चाहिए. यू वेइंग द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि योर हार्ट डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू जस्ट it doesn't belongs to just one person. It seems like you have equal love for both of the people somehow. So you are in this energy of confusion that which person should you choose to be with. And I see equally the other two people loving you as well. So the reciprocity in terms of energy, in terms of love life, in terms of love, is pretty much equal. Okay. So in the upcoming few days, the justice is going to present itself. So it seems like you won't have to do much of anything, because यहाँ पे universe is at play and things are going to be decided for you on their own. It's like uh, you won't have to choose a person, but life itself will choose the person for you who is meant for you. Okay, and सी द स्केल्स आर बैलेंसिंग नाउ. तो अगर कुछ इनइक्वालिटी आपके साथ इन द पास्ट हुई है इन योर लव लाइफ, किसी ने आपको हार्ट ब्रेक दिया है या किसी ने आपको चीट किया है और समथिंग लाइक दैट, सो नाउ द स्केल्स आर बैलेंसिंग, थिंग्स आर कमिंग ऑन द इक्वल ग्राउंड्स. Yeah, I see life choosing someone for you. You are not going to do that for yourself. End of the April is the Eight of Pentacles. So now things are all smooth. You are going to be in a relationship with someone. That's very strong here. By the end of the April, somebody, either I see mostly one of these two people that you are going to commit to, and you are going to be in a relationship with that person. So things seems to be quite stable, quite good here, and it seems like the other person is willing to put in the work for the relationship as well, and it's not just, things are not going one sided anymore if they were going before. Yeah, if you were trying to date somebody and things were not working well, now they are going to. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. It seems like now you're choosing stability. अब आप एक्साइटमेंट, रनिंग, चेजिंग, ये सब चीज़ें नहीं चूज़ कर रहे हैं. अब आप एक स्टेबल लाइफ, एक स्टेबल कनेक्शन चूज़ करने आप प्रेफर कर रहे हैं एज कम्पेयर टू अर्लियर वे यू लाइक्ड द energy of having to chase someone or convince someone. You had that urge inside of yourself. You are not having that anymore. It's like you are now coming to terms with having a very stable love life. You want a stable love life now, and you are choosing uh, each every step that you're taking in your love life at this point is helping you to go into the direction of a stable uh, love life. Like overall, you're choosing stability over the passion, over the running, chasing energy. You're choosing stability now. So, singles, you're going to get committed very soon. Behind this is the star card. So, whomsoever जिसके साथ भी आप committed होते हैं, that person is quite that person has quite a limelight over themselves, like लोग उनको काफ़ी जानते हैं. That's what I'm sensing here. लोग उनको काफ़ी अच्छे से जानते हैं. वो कुछ हद तक अपनी जिस भी फील्ड में काम करते हैं, जो भी करते हैं, they are pretty much famous in that area of their life. Like everybody knows them. It's that energy that I'm getting. And you're going to start a new life here on. So, best of luck. So, guys, let's pull out the cards for all the people who are committed at this point. Okay, dear people who are committed, it seems like कि आपने एक रिलेशनशिप में अपना पूरे एफर्ट्स दिए थे, जिसमें आप करेंटली हैं. आपने अपना हार्ट, सोल, माइंड सब दे दिया था इस रिलेशनशिप को. आपने अपना बेस्ट किया. लाइक आप जो कर सकते थे आपने सब कुछ किया इस रिलेशनशिप को चलाने के लिए, बट इट सीम्स लाइक यू आर हैविंग टू वॉक अवे फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन. इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट एनी मोर. यू हैव ट्राइड वेरी हार्ड. आपने बहुत कोशिश की है. आपने अपनी तरफ से हर चीज़ जो आप कर सकते थे वो किया है आपने. एंड यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड योर सेल्फ अ लॉट इन दिस रिलेशनशिप, इमोशनली, मेंटली, एवरीवेयर. बट इट सीम्स लाइक कि चीज़ें वर्कआउट नहीं हो रही है, और वो काफ़ी टाइम से नहीं हो रही थी. तो नाउ यू फाइनली हैव डिसाइडेड टू वॉक अवे फ्रॉम दिस सिचुएशन, बिकॉज आई थिंक मे बी यू हैव लर्न योर लेसन फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशनशिप. कि आई गेस you were the only one putting in all the efforts into this relationship, and the other person was not reciprocating. दूसरा इंसान उतने एफर्ट्स नहीं डाल रहा था इस रिलेशनशिप में. तो मैं तो फाइनली आपने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि अब आप इस रिलेशनशिप को छोड़ के अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ेंगे. दैट्स व्हाट आई सेंस फॉर ऑल द कमिटेड वंस. ओके. After some time, like beginning of the April, I see you being stuck. Like आप आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट आपके लिए चीज़ें ईजी नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. इट्स टेकिंग अ टोल ऑन योर मेंटल हेल्थ अ लॉट. इट्स लाइक यू हैव बिल्ट अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज विद दैट पर्सन. आपने काफ़ी मेमोरीज इस पर्सन के साथ बनाई है. आपका काफ़ी अच्छा खासा टाइम गया है इस पर्सन के साथ, जो भी है ये. और अब आपको उस पर्सन को माइंड से निकालना मुश्किल हो रहा है. लाइक इट्स लाइक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट probably that this relationship is not meant to be, it seems like. And you are accepting that fact, and you're having to walk away from it. But वो चीज़ आपके माइंड आपका अभी तक एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है. इट्स गेटिंग टफ फॉर यू, एंड you're quite depressed about leaving this situation, even though you did not want it to, but you have to anyways. And you're very depressed about it. You are trying to overcome all the extreme emotions that you're feeling, all the depression, all the anxiety that you're feeling. You're trying to overcome that, but it's not happening right away. Okay, by the end of the April, you will be in this energy of Queen of Cups, जहाँ आप फाइनली चीज़ों को एक्सेप्ट कर पाएंगे एंड मूव ऑन करने के लिए आप रेडी हो जाएंगे. ऑल्सो इट सीम्स लाइक यू आर कमिंग टू टर्म्स विद योर ओन फीलिंग्स. आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि आपने इस सिचुएशन में क्या फील किया है और आप अब क्या फील कर रहे हैं. यू आर नॉट रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम योर इमोशंस, यू आर डीलिंग विद योर इमोशंस एट दिस पॉइंट. आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं आपकी फीलिंग्स को. आपके उस इंसान के लिए आपका जो प्यार था, उस चीज़ को आप एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं. आपका उस इंसान के साथ जो जर्नी रही है, उस सब चीज़ों को आप मेंटली रिविजिट भी कर रहे हैं. एंड यू आर एक्सेप्टिंग ऑल्सो दैट yes, it has finally come to an end. There's no more revival of this relationship anymore, and you're coming to terms with that, and you're letting go. Finally, you're letting go of whatever has happened. So yeah, bottom of the deck is King of Cups. So You're learning a lot about your emotional world, I see here. It's like कि, you never knew that you had so much emotions, or that you had the emotional capacity to love someone. Probably you did not never knew about your, you never leaned into your emotional world anyways, like, yeah, आपने कभी अपने इमोशंस को समझा नहीं या समझने की कोशिश नहीं की, या उसमें उसको प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं किया, बट यू आर लर्निंग दैट नाउ, you are now open to that world. Okay, and behind this is coming out as the wheel of fortune. तो your life is about to change. अगर चीज़ें अभी तक आपके लिए नेगेटिव चल रही थी, आपके लव लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा नहीं जा रहा था, nothing was working out, you were quite depressed, sad in your love life, so now things are turning like into a different direction. And yeah, I would like to clarify this because I would like to know if this is with the same person or not. Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nine of Wands. Okay. Sorry. Knight of Wands. It's coming out the Knight of Wands. So to clarify, the Wheel of Fortune is coming the Knight of Wands. So this is a new person. This is not an old person anymore. So somebody new is coming into your life now, and I see a lot of passion here, a lot of love, a lot of passion over here. So your love life is now going into a better direction if it was not going anywhere till now. And you're about to start a new life in your love, a new chapter in your love life. Okay, that's going to be heavy. Like, and it's not going to be easy. Let me tell you that straight ahead. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be beautiful. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, और मैं अपना email ID नीचे लिख रही हूँ. अगर आपको रीडिंग बुक करनी है तो you can email me on to my mail ID and we'll take it further from there. Bye bye.